Hi, this is Amro. Today I'm gonna show you how to create deep illusion using Adobe Illustrator 2022. Hope you enjoy the video. Now I'm gonna make a new file. I choose A4, width 29.7. I'm gonna use dimension centimeters, height 21 centimeters, color mode CMYK, color, create. Now this is my artboard. I'm going to change my artboard color. First, stroke will be none. Fill color, the color you would like to have. I'm gonna use light olive color. Rectangle tool. Then I change my artboard color. I'm going to layers. I extend the layers, then lock so it will not disturb me. I move to type 2, then character panel, click. Now I'm gonna choose the font. The font I'm going to use is Monistra semi-bold. Font will be 200 points. Spacing among letters will be 100 points. Then OK. Now I'm gonna type the text I wish to type. It will be my name, Amro. Align the text to be in center of my artboard. Now it is in center. I'm going to appearance panel. If it is not there, please click in window, then choose appearance panel to have it. I'm using Adobe Illustrator 2022 again. Then I'm going to my appearance panel. In characters, I'm gonna double click it. The fill color, I'm going to choose none. Then no appearance. Again, I'm going to add new fill color. Then I choose darker olive color. Then going to add effect, 3D classic, extrude and bevel. Direction, it will be isometric top. Extrude depth will be 25 points. Surface would be plastic shading. Then more option will be the same. I will check draw hidden faces, preserve spot colors, then OK. Then I move to selection tools. Selection tool is there. Then go to object, expand appearance. I expand the appearance. Now I move to direct selection tool. Now letter A, I'm gonna select. Then pressing shift and move to the second letter M and again select. Move while holding shift and select letter R. Move to O letter while you still keeping holding shift and select letter O. Then go to edit, cut, edit, paste in front. Then now move to layers, choose the letters that you just made, shift, and last letter was A. Then go to object, move to compound path, make. Go to layers panel again. First group you have done, choose it, then go to object and group it, then go to selection tool and reselect all together. Then move to object, clipping mask, then make. Now you succeeded to make deep illusion using Adobe Illustrator. Hope my video you will like it. If you like it, please don't forget to like it. I will enjoy having your like. Thank you so much and hope to meet you soon in new video. Thank you.